Hello everyone and welcome to another video on this Kali Linux series in which we are going to talk about how we can install packages on our Linux machine, how we can manage those packages and then how we can delete them from our machine. So overall, if you want to install any software which we are going to install in our future courses like CEH, OSCP, which are very popular for ethical hacking and penetration testing. So for that, we need to know how we can download and install new softwares, new hacking tools, new practicals on our machine. Like by default, you can see there are a lot of hacking tools available on our Kali by default for privilege escalation, for defense evasion, credential access, discovery, reconnaissance, initial access execution. There are a lot of tools present already. But if you want to install some other tools, so we are going to use the package manager for it. So every Linux is configured with a package manager that can help you to download the packages from the Linux repository. Now, repository is a store from where you can download the applications and softwares. So in order to download the applications from the store, you need to use few commands and you need to use a package manager. So the package managers can be different in different operating systems. Like in Ubuntu, Debian based like Kali and Parrot OS, we can use a very popular package manager called as APT. Earlier, the old version of APT is APT Get, but the latest version is only APT. So make sure you remember that which is the package manager of Debian and Ubuntu based operating systems like Kali, it is your APT. Then we need to let's say if you are using Red Hat or Fedora, then on that you have either Yum, which is YUM, or you might find DNF on that machine. If you're using Arch Linux, then you might find Pacman, Pacman, as your package manager. So package managers can be different on different Linux, but apart from that, other commands will remain the same. So for now, because we are using Kali, then we will be using the latest package manager on the Kali, which is also known as APT. The first command of APT is, before installing any software, make sure we update our system. We update the repository. So this command will not update our system, but will update the repository of Kali Linux. Let's hit enter. And now for this to work, your internet should be connected. Your internet should be working and your Kali must be connected to an active internet connected machine, and then only it can download the softwares and it can update the repository of your Kali. So let's wait for this command to complete and then we will move ahead. Now, after waiting for at least 5 minutes, I can see that my repository has been updated. And now we can use the second command, that is apt upgrade. So this command will upgrade all the packages which are installed on my machine and which need to be upgraded to their latest version. As you can see, these are all the packages which needs to be upgraded. You can see a lot of packages over here, and these 239 packages need to be updated and they require these much space, and my current space is this. So it's going to free this much space and then it's going to download all these spaces on my machine. So all these packages needs to be upgraded on my machine. They are already pre-installed, but they needs to be upgraded to their latest version. For now, I'll not be upgrading it, but for you guys, you have to press Y so that it can upgrade all the packages on your machine. So because of time issues, I'll not be upgrading them for now, but you guys need to update them and upgrade them. And once you are ready, then you can use the next command, which is apt search followed by whatever software or package you want to search. In order to download something, you have to search the name of the package, or you need to know the name of the package. If you already know the name of package, then you do not have to use search command. But if you do not know, then you have to write apt search followed by whatever thing you know. Like let's say on Android Play Store, when you try to download anything, you will go to the Play Store, click on the search button and try to search about the software. Then you will find the software and then download it. Same thing, same kind of concept we are going to use here. We're going to use the apt search command followed by, let's say I want to download an editor on our machine. So I will hit enter and it will tell me all the editors which are available here. It's going to show me all the editors that are present here. Now it's up to me which one I want to download. So for now, I'll be downloading an editor which is starting with gedit. So you have to again check what editor you want to download. And for now, I'll just move to the one which I want to download, and it's this one. So it's a popular text editor for the GNOME desktop environment, and the package name is mentioned over here. These are the package names. This is for which machine you want to download, and this is the description of it. So for now, because I want to download this package, so I'll press Ctrl C here to kill this process, and then I'll use apt install command with the package name. So the package name was gedit. I'll just type that package name over here. So after search command, once you know the name of the package, you can use the apt install command followed by the name of the package. Now once you hit enter, it will ask you that do you want to download it. I'll say yes, and it will start the downloading process for me, and it will download and install this software on our Kali machine in few seconds. And once it is done, we can use the software according to whatever thing we want to use it. We can use it for whatever reasons we have. So using apt install command followed by the package name, you can install any packages on your machine. So basically, gedit is a graphical editor that you can use. Like in the last session, we used mousepad as a graphical editor. And like you can also use gedit if you want to install it. This is also a graphical editor. If you want to use it, you can use gedit followed by any name like demo12.txt, and it will create a file for you with the name as demo12, and then whatever thing you want to write in the file, you can mention it. You can save and exit by closing this terminal. So this is how the gedit works. So we have it now, but earlier we don't have it. Let's say we updated the repository, we upgraded the tools, we installed the tools, we searched the tool, and now let's try to remove it. So if you want to remove the software from your machine, you can use the apt remove command followed by the name of the tool, which is gedit. So there are two commands that you can use. Let me tell you the difference between them. Apt remove will only remove the gedit tools, but apt purge, P-U-R-G-E, apt purge command will remove everything which is related with this tool called as gedit. If I hit enter, it will tell me that it's just removing gedit. For now, I'll say no. And if I show you the other command, which is purge, if I hit enter, it will tell you that it's removing gedit asterisk, means everything which is starting with gedit, it is going to remove all those things for us. So it's up to you. If you want to just delete the package, you can use the remove command. But if you want to delete and remove everything starting with gedit, you can use the apt purge command. For now, I'll remove everything. So I'll say yes, and then it will try to remove this software from my machine. And now if I type gedit command, I will find that this software is not present, and it is going to tell me that you can use this command, or if you want to install it, you can install it over here also. So Kali Linux basically provides you an advantage. Like if a software is not present, then it directly asks you that do you want to install it or not. You can say yes, and it will try to install the software like it installed it earlier using the apt install command. Another thing that you need to know, let's say if you already have a software and you just want to upgrade the software, okay? Like in the previous section, we found that we already had a lot of softwares present with us, and We use the update. Okay, you can see we have already a lot of softwares present here. And let's say I want to upgrade a software. So let's take an example of this tool called as AirGidon, which is a very powerful tool for hacking wireless networks or Wi-Fi networks. So if you want to learn how to use it, you can join our CEH training and that will help you to learn. So for now, I'll be just trying to update this software, only a single software. So you can still use the apt install command followed by the name of the software. So apt install will install a software if it is not present. But if the software already exists on your machine, then it will try to see if that software needs to be upgraded or not. Means it needs to be upgraded to a later version or not. So if you hit enter, it will tell you that it's upgrading one software and it is installing zero. So basically it's trying to now upgrade the software for us, which will again take few seconds or minutes depending on our internet speed and depending on the size of the package which we are trying to install. As you can see, it's already upgraded now. So this is how we manage packages on Kali machine, and I hope that this is clear to you. You know everything about the package management, how it works, and what all tools are and commands are required for it. So that is all for this video. See you guys in the next video.
If you want to join the live practical focus training on Kali Linux, then you can contact us on the number shown on the screen.